Welcome to our channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today we're diving headfirst into a topic near and dear to my heart. Decorating on a budget. There's just something so satisfying about transforming your home without breaking the bank, wouldn't you agree? It's all about creativity, resourcefulness, and a little bit of that do-it-yourself spirit. So, whether you're adding personality to a rental, refreshing a room on a dime, or just love a good bargain, stick around. We're sharing 5 of my favorite affordable home hacks that'll have your home looking like $1 million without actually spending it. Now let's talk wall art. You don't need to spend a fortune on fancy paintings. Some of my favorite pieces are ones we created ourselves. A blank canvas, some acrylic paints, maybe a little texture. It's a fun weekend project, and you'd be amazed what you can create. Think about incorporating family photos, too. Print them in black and white for a classic look, or go big and bold with colorful frames. It's all about adding those personal touches that make a house a home. Don't underestimate the power of a good thrift store. It's like a treasure hunt every time. You can find unique vases, vintage books, one-of-a-kind lamps. The possibilities are endless. My tip? Go in with an open mind and don't be afraid to see the potential in something. A little paint or some new hardware can go a long way in transforming a diamond in the rough. Before you haul that old dresser to the curb, give it a second chance. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, and it's a budget-friendly way to update your furniture. Don't shy away from bold colors or patterns. And if you're feeling really adventurous, try your hand at reupholstering a chair or ottoman. It's easier than you think, and the results are so rewarding. Bringing the outdoors in is one of the simplest ways to freshen up your space, and plants are your secret weapon. They add life, color, and a touch of nature to any room. Head to your local nursery or even the grocery store and pick up a few affordable houseplants. Don't worry if you don't have a green thumb. There are plenty of low-maintenance options out there. Sometimes the best changes are free. Changing the layout of your furniture can make a world of difference. Experiment with different arrangements until you find one you love. Try moving your sofa to a different wall, swapping out rugs, or creating a cozy reading nook. You might be surprised at how different your space can feel with just a little rearranging. Well, there you have it. 5 simple, budget-friendly home decor hacks to transform your space without emptying your wallet. Remember, creating a beautiful home is about surrounding yourself with things you love, not breaking the bank. So go ahead, get creative, have fun, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. And who knows, maybe you'll inspire someone else to tackle a project of their own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more budget-friendly home decor tips. See you next time.